Hi, Buttercups. Today is Christmas. Merry Christmas to every single one of you. So, you guys have been supporting me for a pretty long time. So, as a reward, I prepared some special activities. Enjoy. Can you find the differences? I will give you half a minute. Did you find all the correct differences? Which image is fake and which one is real? Did you get it correct? Which decoration is wrong? The pastel egg. That's for Easter, not for Christmas. Can you guess the 5 next images I'm about to show you by shadow? Did you guess them right? What is different in these two shadows? The first shadow has dots on it, but the other one has stars. Which one is fake? The first one is real because it's a real Christmas ornament, but the other one is fake since it's a pineapple. A pineapple is not meant for Christmas. Which one is not for Christmas? The one that I circled belongs to Christmas. The other one doesn't. Since a lemonade, it's not for Christmas. Which shadow lies? It's the one with the mug. Why? Because the setup it has a candy cane with some sticks, which does not match the mug. But the other one it has a gift, and there's a gift next to the setup, so it makes it match more. There is something that has the wrong size. Can you find it? There is something too big. It's the giant snowflake cookie on the left. Because usually the mug and the gingerbread house are meant to be bigger, but this time it's not. Can you find what's missing? Did you find them? Oh no, there is an object here that's not supposed to be for winter. Can you find it? Did you find it? Uh-oh, can you find the objects that have appeared twice? Found them? Which image is cold and which image is warm? Which image would melt first? The ice cream. Why? Because it's in a warm place, but a snowman is in a cold place, so it will just stay frozen, but the ice cream will melt. Which one is more of the real life like and which one is more the movie like? Which object is backwards? It's the red bow. Did you see it? Which one would break first? It's the snow globe. Why? Because it's made out of glass and glass is the easiest object to break. But the other ones, they are not made out of glass, which makes it harder to break. So yeah, the snow globe will be the first one to break. Which one would be heavier? It's the logs. Why? Because they're usually heavy. And the gift, there's so much wrapped presents, but sometimes the presents are like not heavy. And sometimes there could be some empty spaces. Which object is floating? It's the red ornament. Have you seen it? Which image has the object that appears closer? It's that one. Where is the hidden letter in this image? You see, there is an M shape. Well, the M is formed with a candy cane and it's placed behind the wreath. Which image will make a sound? You see, it's a silver bell, because usually when you move a bell, it makes sounds. I mean the Xmas decoration ones. Which object would smell stronger? The answer will be the cinnamon sticks, because cinnamon usually smells really strong, even from far. Which one would freeze first? The cranberry juice would freeze first. Why? Because it's mostly water, so it freezes faster than the ice cream, which melts before freezing more, and it's more faster than the snowball and the thicker hot chocolate, so the cranberry juice would freeze first. Which one feels more comfortable? The one that I circled feels the most comfiest. Who would want to sit in the cold when you will have a chance to sit in a couch that's cozy and comfortable? Which scene is nighttime and which scene is daytime? The indoor scene is nighttime and the outdoor scene is daytime. Because in the outdoor scene, you see it's obviously daytime. And in the indoor scene, it's totally nighttime because there's a glowing fireplace and lantern instead of just turning on the lights. And glowing fireplaces and lanterns are usually for nighttime. Which ice skating shoes is new and which one is old? Did you get it correct? Which one is about to fall? Yes, it's that one. The red gift seems tilted and more off-balanced on the stack. Which one is empty? Did you see it? Which one broke? Oh no, did you see that? Which one was used today? Yes, it's that one, because it has snow on it, unlike the other one, so probably the one that has snow on it was used today. Which one has fake snow on it? Yes, correct, because on the picture the snow is too fluffy to be real. Which one is handmade? Yes, it's that one since it has more natural materials and the decorations are handmade and we can see some handmade details. Which scene is the most peaceful? That one must have been hard. Why? Because it's calm with calm water and it has a soft snowfall and no activity. Which place seems the most festive? Yes, it's that one, because it has most classic Christmas elements together. Which scene is soft and which scene is loud? The ones with the red stockings is louder and the ones with the white stockings and white rug is softer. If you want to know why, it's because it has soft colors and it's decorated calmly. Which scene feels bright and which scene feels cozy? I think that must have been easy. Did you get it correct? Which scene is outdoor and which scene is indoor? I'm sure that this was easy peasy Christmas squeezy. Did you get it right? Why does this scene look warm but isn't warm? Because even though there is a warm setup, the roof on top of it does not cover the fully thick and it's snowing and it's nighttime which makes it even colder. Why does this scene look cold but it isn't? because this time the roof is covering the fully warm setup, and even though there's snow, it's morning, and when it's morning, it's not that cold. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.